Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys, so please take what resonates and don't manifest the rest. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. This is not for all Scorpios. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, spirits of all animals, divine angels, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If it will not happen to you guys, the energy could be happen to the people around you and your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. So please, do not manifest the energy of others and use your own discernment. I know that you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. About love, money, career, business, and studies. Seasons, greetings. Happy holidays to all of you. Let me see your intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful reading for today because you are intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful, right? Well. Happy holidays! First, we have Saturn. Grenzen on Lektion. I am using Deutsch Astro cards. You could be dealing or attracting either a Capricorn or an Aquarius. Could also be that this is related to your borders and limitation because you have learned your lesson. Grenzen is borders, Lektion is lesson. Could also be that this person are now learning their lesson. I don't know what they have done on you. It could also be that you are the one who awakened them. You give them a lesson. For some of these people, guys, these are the people in the past who engage you to drama and conflict for whatever reason because of jealousy and envy. This could also be related to your growth. You already evolved and you are not the same person before. This is also related to your expansion and that you are setting a healthy and clear boundaries. This person couldn't in and out of your life anymore. Either a Capricorn or an Aquarius. Could also be any other sign. Could also that this is related to your growth and somebody who wants to talk with you. Somebody who could also be wants to invest with you. Could also be that in the past, this person scam your money. There could be a money involved here. Could also be that this person is triggered because you are no longer talking to them and that you evolved and you changed. Now, they wants to talk with you because they wants to invest with you. They wants to be the part of your legacy, of your creativity, your hard work, or they are feeling entitled to be the part of it. Others of you guys, you are no longer entertaining them because you have learned your lesson. That's why you set a healthy and clear boundaries. And this person could also be learning their lessons now. Take only what fits in your story. There could be a communication here or somebody here, wants to talk with you because they wants to tell you something. Be very strategic. Let me see. Your challenge in this reading is Lelet. Will be wobbly kite. You could be dealing or attracting a person who is toxic, narcissist, Somebody here could also be prolonging an addiction, drug addiction, alcohol addiction, sex obsession. Could also that this is a group of people in the past who tried to control you. It could also that these are the people who doesn't want you to stand your integrity for whatever reason, because they couldn't control you anymore. If you are going to stand with your integrity to take back your power, this person could also be having a dark energy. Somebody here could also be always provoking you. Well, I couldn't talk. Always creating chaos in your life, because somebody here could also be, they are unhealed. They need psychiatrist. Somebody here is sick. Could also be psychopath. For some of these people, guys, this is the result of their black magic abracadabra on you, because they want you to look like crazy, or in the past, they spread lies and rumors about you that you are crazy, you are like this, you are weird. This is only the projection of themselves. And they projected this on you because they couldn't control you, because you will not follow what they want you to do. What they wanted you to do. And that's why they did abracadabra, and the negative energy backfires on them, because for most of you, you are innocent. And I fully understand if you set a healthy and clear boundaries. These are the people who are fond of creating drama and conflict to somebody else, and they will not accept the consequences of their action. Instead, they twist the story that you are the one who is weird, you are the one who is, sensitive, because they are only minding your reaction towards on them, but they don't care about the bad words or the things they did on you. They are just only minding your reaction towards on them, not with their action towards on you. And that's why you are no longer entertaining them. You set a healthy and clear boundaries. They are peace. For some of these people, guys, it could also that these are the group of coven who did abracadabra on you. And somebody here perceived that you are paranoia, you are crazy because you are like this, you are like that, you are mysterious, you are weird. Now everything they said about you backfires on them. Especially now you are setting a healthy and clear boundaries. Somebody could also be having a gender struggles. Somebody could also be always partying, chasing thrills, and taking drugs. Somebody could also be accusing you that you are the one who take drugs. And now, it was found out that you are not the one. And instead, they are the one. This is only the projection towards on you. I told you. They will say that you are a hoe, you are a weirdo. They are the one who is doing the things they said on you. I told you. Because these are the people who are, who will not accept the consequences of their action. Instead, they will do this abracadabra over and over and over again. I told you. With the hope that the result is for your downfall. For some of you guys, you have nothing to do with them. And that's why it backfires on them. Could also be that somebody here is, engage you to a third party, or they wants to engage you to a third party and you refuse. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path, because this is not for all Scorpios. Could also that this person having a dark energy and they are always jealous on you. I told you. And they twist the story that you are the one who did this to them. Somebody here needs healing, because somebody here is sick. Could also be this person is a psychopath, narcissist, or toxic. The more they did this to you, the more, it backfires on them, the negative energy, especially if they're doing black magic and cast spells. This could also be a person who is using their power in the dark. Could also be that this person is a practitioner and they are using their power in the dark. And when it backfires on them, they will say that you are the one who did this to them. Or somebody is paying somebody else to destroy you. Could also be that the coven is involved here. This is a black moon. Could also that you are dealing with either a Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius, and Capricorn. And somebody here could also be paying a coven. They are using money to bluff or to lie on you. And this practitioner is using their power in the dark because of greed. I told you. And they are doing something behind the moon. This person could be Cancer, Pisces, not necessary, could also be any other sign. Capricorn, Aquarius. For some of you guys, I feel like they are being exposed. And this person is so mad. That's why they are talking all bad words about you, that you are a hoe, that you are a bitch, something like this, because they pest that all what they have done on you backfires on them and it is exposed, because this is the challenge. For some of these people, I feel like they are scared. Why? You know their secret, and that's why somebody wants to talk with you. I don't know what you have done on you. There could be a money involved here, or somebody is paying a coven, and this coven also lying on you, and now they are being exposed. That's why they are mad, and they are talking all the bad words on you. I told you, they pissed, and they couldn't go back to your energy because you set a healthy and clear boundaries. These are the trickery, lies, and manipulation they created in the dark. Now they are pissed because you are no longer talking to them. You evolve. You look, this is also related to your expansion and growth. And that's why they are triggered. I told you. Somebody here needs to heal because somebody here having a dark energy. I don't think that this is your energy, especially if you are a Scorpio on the right path. If you are the one who is using this, your dark power, you could also be a practitioner and you are using a dark power. I am not reading with this Scorpio. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. Rest assured that the negative energy descent on you backfires on them and they are pissed. And this is your challenge because somebody is still doing this. You know why? Because they will not accept the consequences of their action. They refuse to heal. All you need to do is to protect your energy. You cannot control the people, the things around you. Just protect your energy. Or if they are in the internet, if you have connection in the social media with this person, just block them. Do not engage with their negative energy because they pest that you evolve and there is growth in everything you do, and that you set a healthy and clear boundaries. They want to talk, and it's up to you if you're going to talk with them. They want to talk because they are now exposed. Let me see, your spiritual lesson here is quadrant. Here also further on this harmony. This is challenges and disharmony. I told you, somebody here always creating or provoking, creating havoc, conflict in your life, or provoking you. And it could also be that you experience lots of challenges and disharmony in this situationship. Could also be in a relationship. Or somebody's relationship here is over because the toxic partner is always provoking them, always creating, a thing which is not in a relationship. They're just creating drama and conflict, and that's why this relationship is over. Somebody here could be paranoia. This is also the result of the abracadabra towards you. I told you. You look. Could also that you experience too much challenges and disharmony with this person because of jealousy and envy. Others of you guys, you are no longer entertaining them anymore because you overcome the challenges and disharmony caused with this person or group of people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 330, 33. Please pay attention. Number 4, 40, 44, 43, 34 is significant on this reading as well. Could also that these are the collaboration, a group of people who are collaborating against you. A Gemini, a Cancer, a matured mother figure, a Libra, or a person as an authority. This could also be the group of people who engaged to a coven, who paid money to a dark practitioner. I said dark practitioner because this practitioner using their power in the dark, and now they are being exposed and depressed. They call you any bad words because this is the part of their, their hatred towards on you because their plan didn't work. And in fact, they are being exposed. That you are like this, that you are like that. You are not crazy. You are not weirdo. This is only their projection towards on you because they pissed. I told you. But you don't care because you are no longer entertaining them. You are focusing your growth in that this person is triggered because you set a healthy and clear boundaries. Could also be any other sign. The power of 4, the power of 3. Includes Aquarius, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, or a person as an authority. Remember, they wants to talk with you. Take only what fits in your story. This could also be your ex to engage you to a third party situation. And you are no longer talking to them because you knew the truth about this person. Could also that you are dealing with a person who is toxic, narcissist, manipulative. A person who is freaking control, and since they couldn't control you, they are triggered, depressed, and they talk all negative words about you. Well, good luck whoever you are, go and heal yourself. Let me see, the other past situation is the second house, resources on Huerte. Resources in work. A Taurus is involved here. I told you. Or you are dealing with a person who is rich. You could be also a rich person. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Or this is your energy, of course. You are. The energy of a rich person is related to your abundance. You can create great things to become a successful person. And this person wants to invest with you. Could also that this person wants to allure you with money. But this is the past situation. I feel like for most of you guys, you decline. Because you decline to be the third party. You decline to, what do you call this? You choose to be, you choose to work for yourself. You choose to earn money than to engage your, to sold your soul to the devil. Somebody could also be tried to allure you with money. Could also that this is a rich person and they perceive that they can buy everything. Could also that this person having a business, or this person could also be belong to an elite group of people, and they perceive that they can buy everything, includes you. But you decline because you choose to work and to earn money for yourself because the coven lies on them that you are, the nature of your job is, you know what I mean, that you earn money because you sold your body, something like that. And that's why this person in the past believed that they can have you, because this person could also be a rich person. A person has an authority and they can put you in a third party situation because somebody is lying on you. Could also be that somebody is paying a coven to lie on you, and this person believed. I told you. And that's why this person now realized that you are not the one who say that you are this kind of person. The person who is You sold your body to the different men to earn money, especially to the rich people. And this person wants to allure you with money, and it didn't work because you work, and in fact, you have had growth and expansion. You evolve, and they are being exposed. The moon, the dark things, the dark shadow, the things they have done to you behind the moon. And in fact, this person have seen that you are belong to a, could also be a person who is a valuable person because you create great things. This is related to energy abundance. You have her growth and expansion, and that's why everything come out. The lies depended on you. A Taurus is involved her, or somebody who wants to invest with you, or there could be a money involved her. This is the past situation. Could also that this scam your money. Taurus, Capricorn is involved her. Cancer, Pisces, the power of 3, the power of 4, and Aquarius or Capricorn as well. Now they wants to talk with you. Let me see. The current situation is the 5th house. This is the energy of Leo. There can be a significant meaning with the number 5, 50, 55. Please pay attention. This is related to your chains. This is related to your transformation for some of you guys. Somebody here don't like it that you change, but you don't care because they are also the reason why you change. I told you, there could be a child involved here. Somebody could also be using children or child to have an access on you, especially if this is your ex, or somebody have manipulated their children against you. I don't know who is this person or group of people. It could also be the power of 5. Or it could also be that they are being exposed. The moon. The trickery, lies, and manipulation they have done on you. There could also be involves a children, surrogacy, adoption, parenthood, pregnancy. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. It could also that this is a new person and they wants you to be happy with them. For some of these people, guys, they wants you to have a child with them. I told you. Or this could also be your ex who betrayed you with other partner, and it was found out that your ex have child or children to this partner. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. Could also be somebody who is using children in order for you to support them. Could also be that somebody is accusing you that you are the father of the child. If I were you, if you are not sure, go and make a DNA test. Because somebody are using children. I told you. Could also be wants to collect money from you, or that they are going to support, that you are going to support them. Take what resonates, or somebody who needs a support. A child or children support. A Leo is involved her. Taurus. Could also be the power of 5 who is collaborating against you. You could be born on the 5th of the month. You could be in 1950, 1955. You could be, 50 years old or 55 years old. Or this child is 5 years old. Or somebody here was born on the 5th of the month. Or you are the one. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. Now, this person wants to have an access with you, especially if this is your ex and they are using children. Let me see. Your future here is Shutse, the wealth and decadent. Sagittarius, the world explorer. A Sagittarius is involved here. This person wants to travel towards you. There could also be a long journey over water. Could also that this person living far away from you. Not necessarily a Sagittarius, could also be any other sign. Somebody here wants to travel towards you. This person wants to be happy with you. This person wants to have a child with you, or they wants you to be playful with them. They wants you to be, what I mean is that to show your vulnerability. This is like, they wants to see your innocence. I mean that you are playful, you are vulnerable, that you are not serious to them, and that's why somebody who wants to travel towards on you. Either a Sagittarius, Leo, Aquarius, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Taurus. Could also be any other sign, but somebody who wants to travel towards on you. This person could also be wants to have a vacation holiday with you. Or there could be a travel involved here, either you or the person you are dealing with. This could also be related to your growth, to your ascension. This is leveling ups, or this person wants to level you up. Take what resonates. Because everyone is different. Or somebody wants to send you a message to call you if you have number with this person. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your attitude here is the fish, the trimaran. Pisces, the dreamer. A Pisces is involved here, not necessarily, could also be any other sign. Somebody has daydreaming and fantasizing on you, or this person wants to fulfill your dreams, or you are, their dreams come true. But also that this person wants to meet you through your dreams, through astral projection. Protect your energy, especially the time when you're going to sleep. Wear some amulets because somebody here wants to meet you in your dreams. I told you. It could also be that if this is the past people, they tried to hinder your dream. Could also be in your workplace, the people around you, because of jealousy and envy. They doesn't want you to have a successful life. And now they have seen your growth, that you evolve. There is an expansion here. And all they can do is to daydream and fantasize on you because you are no longer entertaining them anymore. Others of you guys, you are now living with your dreams. And there are people who are pissed because they tried everything. They use dark practitioner to end up your work, your dream. I don't know, this is all about. Now that you are living with your dream, all they can do is to fantasize or to daydream on you. Or this person wants to travel towards you because you are their dream come true. They wants to fulfill your dreams. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, if these are the past people who tried to hinder your dreams, they failed. Now they pissed. Even though they are using dark magic, abracadabra. Because you are now living with your dreams. Let me see. The outside influencer is the Scorpion. The mysticaran. Mysticaran, yes. You could be dealing or attracting a Scorpio like you, or a person as a Scorpio in their birth chart. I told you, this is your energy. This is your transformation. You are the phoenix rising from the ashes. And this person or group of people who are collaborating against you, they didn't expect this to happen to you, that you are living with your dreams. They did everything. They engaged you to a coven and it didn't work. In fact, they are being exposed and it backfires on them. That's why they are so mad. They utter any bad words about you. I told you. It could also that this is in your workplace. Because you are the competition of this person or group of people. For some of you guys, you are not competing on them. You are just focusing your work, your dream. But there are people who are triggered on you. Whether you like it or not, you are one of the most intimidating sign in the zodiac. I told you. Or you are dealing with a person who is also a Scorpio like you. And this person could also be involved with this practitioner who did abracadabra on you. Now they are pissed. For some of you guys, I feel like the more they did this to you, the more you become a strong person. This is like, what do you call this? Strike me down once and I will show you how I will rise. This is like that saying. Because somebody here could also be perceive you that you are mysterious, that you are keeping secret, that you are engaging your soul to the devil. I mean, you sold your soul to the devil because for most of you, you are not the kind of person who will tell your, Scorpio is secretive, mysterious, And this is one of your part of your, this is one of your nature. And somebody who wants you to reveal everything what you have done. These are the people who are curious, because they will find a way how to control you, how to target you. And that's why you are good in keeping secrets. And somebody have perceived that you are keeping secrets. You are not. You are only protecting your privacy. I told you. And a Scorpio is involved here. This person could also be, exposed now. I don't know what they have done on you. Everyone is different. Or this person wants to travel towards on you. Could also that this person is daydreaming on you, but you are no longer entertaining them because of what they have done on you. Let me see, the outside influence here is Uranus. Again, an Aquarius is involved here. This is related to your expansion, that you evolve, or somebody here doesn't want you to evolve. That's why they did everything. They engaged you to a dark practitioner in the past, and it didn't work. In fact, it backfires on them. I told you. Could also that this person wants to tell you that they are now changed, and they wants to have a new beginning with you. And the wrong is changes and new beginning, or they are shocked that you change and you have a new beginning. In fact, you are living with your dreams. That's why he wants to talk with you. Or this person wants to promise you, Scorpio, I will change if you will give me a chance. I will tell you the truth. I want to be the part of your new beginning. An Aquarius could be. Could also that this is your ex. Take what resonates, because everyone is different. Double confirmation that you evolved. And there are people who couldn't believe, who couldn't imagine. How did you do that? Aside from that, you are no longer talking with this person or group of people, because for you, this is over. You don't need them in your life, because these are the people as well who mock you down to the limits. They push you to the limits, and I fully understand if you cut them off out of your life. That's why somebody wants to approach you and they will tell you that they want to change, or they are willing to change, or they don't like that you change and you have a powerful new beginning. That's all. The people who are jealous and envy on you, or they want to tell you that they are willing to change to be the part of your new beginning. Could be an Aquarius is involved here. Take what resonates, because everyone is different. Let me see the outcome here is sextile. Chance on Gelegenheit, opportunity and chances. This person wants to take a chance towards on you. This person perceives you as irresistible. This person perceives you as sensual, and they couldn't resist you. You could be a person who is very magnetic, attractive, of course, Scorpio. Yeah. And this person wants to have a chance to be with you. That's why they wants to take a risk. They wants to tell you that if you give them a chance, they're going to change. They wants to be a part of your new beginning. And this person is willing to take chances and a risk, because this person couldn't resist you. There could be a communication here. An Aquarius is involved here. A Scorpio, a Pisces, a Sagittarius, a Leo, Taurus, oh my gosh, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces. Could also be any other sign. Could also be that these are the people in the past who misjudge you, that the nature of your job is just like a war, that you are jumping from one person to another to earn money, especially rich people. And now it was cleared because they are exposed. And that's why this person wants to talk with you, because they have seen the truth of who you are. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the Saturn in this reading? It is clarified as, I told you, you already transformed, you already evolved. And that's why he wants to be the part of it. He wants to talk with you. Could be a Capricorn or an Aquarius. Or he wants to be the part of your ascension. Could also that he wants to uplift you. In the past, they believe with the lies and rumors about you. Cause with this person who are paying a coven, who spread lies and rumors about you. Now that you rise, now that they are exposed, this person wants to invest with you to be the part of your ascension. An Aquarius or a Capricorn is involved here. Clarify me, Father, why the shots in this reading, please? It is clarified as you look. Somebody here needs to heal. This person having a dark energy. And this person could also be still doing this abracadabra because this person's lives are falling apart. They don't care or they don't believe in God. They don't believe in karma. Yeah, look, this is the result of their trickery, abracadabra doing on you over and over again. Somebody has refused to heal. They knew that they are sick or they refuse to heal because of their ego. They doesn't want the people will tell them that they are sick. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Could be a Sagittarius, could also be any other sign. A person is going to travel towards a new. Why the Lilith in this reading? Please tell me more. It is clarified as distracting forces. I told you, you could be dealing or attracting a person who is psychopath or having a mental disorder. This is normal if you are an empath. Protect your energy because this person is a distracting forces. They only wants to distract you or they wants to argue with you. Could also that these are the group of coven who failed with their abracadabra on you. Their trickery, lies, and manipulation are now exposed. And they're going to distract you with using bad words that you are a hoe, you are weirdo, you are witch, you are bitch. I don't know. That's why block this person or do not engage your energy to this person. You look, connect to the universe and disengage these distracting forces. They are only jealous because they are exposed of what they have done on you. Oh my gosh. Could also be a person who is narcissist who failed to control you and they are pissed. Now they want to distract you. This is your challenge to protect your energy and disengage the distracting forces. Connect to the universe. Whatever they are going to tell you that you are a hoe, you are a weirdo, you are a bitch, whatsoever, this negative words, this is only the projection. They project themselves towards on you. That's why do not engage or block this person or group of people in your mobiles or in your social media. That's all they can do because they are pissed. They are being exposed. I told you, this is your challenge. Why the Uranus in this reading, please? Why Uranus here, please? Why Uranus here? It is clarified as this person is manifesting you in their lives. This person could be an Aquarius. They wants to be the part of your new beginning. They wants to change or they are willing to change. Or they wants to tell you that they are going to change. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They are manifesting you in their lives. I told you. Clarify me, Father. Why the Pisces in this reading, please? It is clarified as this person perceived that you are their twin flame. Could also be a karmic twin flame or both of you having a past life connection. This person perceived that both of you having chemistry and also passion, the same spark, and there's a potential for both of you to become partner, to become lovers. And this person is daydreaming and fantasizing on you, or somebody is being tempted. Somebody could also be no longer free. If you are not single, be very careful. There could be a temptation here. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. Clarify me, Father. Why oh why? Why the second house in this reading? Please tell me more. It is clarified as I told you, balance is restored here. And also, for some of you guys, You don't need to worry with this person or group of people. Balance is being restored here, and you are divinely protected with your divine ancestors. All you need to do is to detach the distracting forces and protect your energy. That ends your readings. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, just don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.